Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we have got a Jaguar E-Type. It's a Jaguar lightweight E-Type. It's by Hotwheels and it's part of the Silver Series line of casting. The car looks really nice, but I don't collect this, but it's a nice design. Even the car looks like a nice one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the E-Type out of its packaging. And since it's a Silver Series, so it has some better details than mainline, but still misses out on stuff like rubber wheels and all that from when you go premium. But it has a metal base, which a lot of Silver Series doesn't have. But this one has got metal base. Nice looking wheels. They look really nice on this long sweeping E-Type. I like the paint. It's blue, kind of metallic. We've got the number 63 on the side, a detailed door handle, and some more details on the hood here too. Now coming to the front, up front you can see it's got detailed headlamp. You got number 63. It says Hotwheels. You got this white stripes going from front to back, so you can see this small bulge in the hood. There's the grille. Again, it's not black, but normally it is. It's kind of the same. The metal material in the lower part is of the same metal, like it looks kind of silver. Does miss out on the mirrors. I think E-Type have mirrors here, so not didn't do that. Since this is a British car, so the driver is on the other side, but this is the passenger side. It looks almost identical to the driver side. Same number 63, same details on the quad. You can say the panel here. It's all the hood that opens up, so it's almost same. I do like how the lower part is silver or chrome kind of finish. Coming to the rear, again good details here. You've got detailed tail lamp. The stripes continue. You also got twin exhaust coming down from and again the metal lower part. I think this is also the fuel filler here, so looks good. I don't know what is this slice bulge on the trunk. The interior seems to be done in black, if I'm not wrong, or maybe it looks to be black. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's a very nice looking casting. Then I might be biased towards Jaguar and Land Rover, so but it's a good looking casting. Has got some good details, has nice paint on it, and looks really good. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.